When you love what you do, good things can happen for you. I got this quote at the Oscars recently when a young children's chorus sang. I love music and I like music playing with other people. That showed up in sixth grade when I wanted to play piano with an orchestra there. It was a large city school, 48 people to a class, kindergarten through eighth, and everyone who was auditioning played a solo and then sight read. It turned out that there were beautiful solos, but many people could not sight read. I played fast, faster, and fastest and got the job. I enjoyed music making with others in high school. With other instruments, I was able to be in band, orchestra, and chorus. I chose to teach college piano and got the degrees for that and did it for 6 years until Dow Chemical was looking for a pianist and an accompanist. I auditioned and I sight read for 2 full days and played solos and enjoyed getting the job, playing for choruses for shows, and I was able to play in the orchestra and teach on the side. When it came time for Dow to withdraw complete support at the music building, I had the most wonderful exit interview. I was getting married in 10 days and in time had family. I continued playing for Music Society, some for orchestra, and down at the church downtown at First United Methodist Church. I can no longer see to sight read. I'm sorry about that, but I read somewhere, when your dreams go to dust, vacuum. I have had to vacuum some of those out of my life, but I still enjoy very much music, teaching, and the people here, and I love being in Midland, so great things have happened for me.